This is how to mass create portal accounts for students and parents. I'm going to deal with students mostly today. I was asked to create portal accounts for sixth graders. So what I need to do is go into the mass uh, portal accounts right here. I've just typed in mass under pages, auto mass create portal accounts. And what happens is there's an auto create here, and then there's also where you can just mass create counts on your own. The auto create is when you are typing in as a registrar or a secretary, you're typing in somebody's email address and you type that in and you indicate, yes, I want them on the portal in the demographic screens. It's going to auto send the students and parents a portal account email. So that's not what we're doing today. Actually, Josh had asked me to do just sixth grade. If you look at, I notice I'm in Inland Leaders Charter Schools as the district. It allows me to mass create sixth grade accounts, but in this case, I can only do entire schools. We don't have a school group at this point or anything, so entire schools. He doesn't want the entire school. So how do I do something in areas that's not entire school? You're going to have to do what we call a keep query. If you go back to query, and you go to put in the word keep, the command keep, I should say, that is only going to select certain records in areas to work with. In other words, you're taking your entire database and eliminating everything else. So I want to keep stu um, grade, keep stu if grade equals 6. An equal sign? Yes, equals 6. I'm going to hit run. I'm going to double check to make sure it did it. It's saying up here in this little pink red area, hey, there are students being skipped, and the ones that are being kept are all of our sixth graders. There's 109 of them, which sounds about right with independent study. So independent study kids will get this as well. And so I'm good with that. So right now, Aries is only dealing with those kids, those sixth graders, okay? Pretty powerful function. And so now I can go into my mass portal accounts, MASS, right here. I can ask it, I can go into just the case 6 if I want, and you're going to see it's going to take away the schools, which is fine, okay? Or I can go to the district as well. One thing I noticed though, that keep function that was up here now disappeared. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, go back and redo the keep because I feel like it got reset since I'm not seeing that message up here. So hold on for a second. Back and I went back and did my keep function, and so now on the auto mass I don't want parents this time, and I want pre-enrolled students. I just want students we currently have, and the stu SEM means they have an email, student email. Okay, so that's what that's pointing to, that field. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, it's just for the case 6, although it's going to skip everybody else's records, but just the sixth graders are going to be the ones that get this. Okay, so I go in. I've already done my email text. That's a whole different level or different training, but my email text is the way I want it. I'm going to hit mass create accounts, and it will send out those accounts to every student that's in sixth grade. Okay, I'm not going to do it yet because Josh was asking that, hasn't told me a go ahead on that yet, but that's the process.